Find or read reviews that people are talking about FOXWELL NT1009BT, all system scan tool for all cars. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. FOXWELL 2024 Wireless Diagnostic Scanner, we've upgraded to elevate your diagnostics. Quick and flexible wireless diagnosis, ECU/key coding, brush hidden functions, clear V.A.G guidance, fit for VW/Audi/Skoda/Seat. Supports auto-auth for FCA, SGW, fit for Chrysler/Dodge/Jeep/Alfa Romeo/Fiat after 2018, supports CAN/CANFD/KWP/DOIP protocols. Built-in Android apps for easy software update and data printing. Compatible with over 200 car brands, 200,000 vehicles. Support 20 languages for users. All system diagnostics and auto VIN. Automotive scanner NT1009 for car can detect all available systems like ECM, TCM, ABS, SRS, BCM, BMS, TPMS, SAS, and more, to read/clear codes, view live data. Access ECU info, perform active tests. It provides you with a dealership-level diagnosis, getting accurate and in-depth report over all automotive systems. The diagnostic tools support one-click auto VIN to access your vehicle information, thereby increasing the accuracy of diagnostics. Featured ECU coding and brush hidden, this car scanner comes with advanced control module coding and adaptive capability to perform offline ECU coding, fit for BMW E/F/G chassis. Activate hidden function fit for Audi, BMW, Skoda, Seat, Bentley, Bugatti, Lexus, Hino, Mini, Lamborghini, Scion, Toyota, Volkswagen. Adaptive replaced control units fit for Hyundai, Kia, Honda. Disable annoying car settings like seat belt chime. Smart full bidirectional control scan tool, active test. The active tests widely used on car subsystems to help check if the car actuators, fuel pump/throttle, and body components, windows/rear mirrors/wipers, are all in good condition. In practical maintenance work, cylinder deactivation test can be used to detect whether each cylinder is functioning normally and to troubleshoot issues. Over 36 maintenance functions, adaptation, initialization, matching. The NT1009 scanner for car widely covers essential services like oil reset/throttle relearn/ABS bleeding/injector coating and more. Streamlining maintenance and prevent potential malfunction for vehicle owners and technicians. NT1009BT scanner diagnostic tool also features V.A.G guided functions fit for VW, Audi, Skoda, and Seat, making complex maintenance tasks easy with step-by-step instructions. High-performance hardware. NT1009 scan tool for all vehicles features a 10.1-inch touchscreen for clear display and easy navigation, 64 GB storage for ample data saving. A 2.0 GHz quad-core CPU for faster diagnostics, Wi-Fi enabled for quick diagnostic report download and sharing, an 8000 mAh battery for up to 12 hours endurance. Wireless Bluetooth connectivity for flexible diagnostic capabilities. Covering over 200 car brands and support update, Diagnostic Scan Tool NT1009 works with the newest 2023 and 2024 car models, such as cars, SUVs, minivans, and light trucks. It's got you covered for over 200 brands, over 200,000 vehicles from North America, Europe, and Asia. It also supports software updates to the latest version, covering the newest vehicle models and accessing the newest features, which are essential for technicians to provide customers with more efficient repairs. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, Please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.